A brand new YouTube automation channel update. How much money did my YouTube automation channel make in the last couple of weeks? In this video, I'm going to share the exact numbers as well as the strategy that I've been following, and then also why some of this stuff was completely passive. I'll get into that later in the video. For now though, let's just show you these stats that you're interested in. So I've put this on the last 90 days. Now, first of all, let me just go over this real quick. As you can see, these stats are real. I can click everywhere and it doesn't change anything, right? So in October, we were at like 3K views, but I've done updates for that. In fact, I've done updates until this point or so, like 8 or 9K views. I believe this is where I did the latest update. However, as you can see right now, we're at almost 12,000 views per day, which is really, really good because that is getting us crazy revenue. The revenue is roughly, it's around 150 on the lower end and then like 180, 190 almost on the high end. So you can see that we're willing to starting to hit like good growth where I'm going to be making good money with this channel. Now, what we can see once again, as always, is that it just keeps on going. It keeps on going. Now, if you're new here, once again, all of that is because the videos that I'm uploading are evergreen videos and they're SEO based. So I rank them in YouTube search. Because of that, people are always searching for specific things. They then find my video, they click on it, and there you go, I'm getting views. And that is where all of these views are actually coming from. So yes, some of it will be recommended and browse, but most of it is indeed YouTube search, which is why you can get such a kind of like predictable and steady growth chart. You can see it doesn't go like up and down. It's just like pretty steady going up. Of course, it dips down sometimes, but then it picks up again, you know? So that's that. But let's take a closer look at the revenue. So we can see that we're hitting about $150 up to $180 days. However, let's take a look at the RPM and the CPM. Did anything change there, or is that still the same? So what you'll notice is that the CPM is, I mean, it was kind of dipping. You can see that right here. It was always like 40 during weekdays and then it dipped down in the weekends. But right now, like this period in December, was kind of like meh, kind of like dips down a lot. Right now it's picking up again. So you can see like 30, 45, dips down again during the weekend, goes up again, you know, dips down again. So it is all right. The reason for this, the reason it dipped down a little bit is because the videos that are getting more and more views, they don't have the highest CPM out there. So you can see right there, we are getting like 3K views per day. Now the most amount of views from that 3.3K were in crazy high CPM industries. The videos that are getting views now are also in a high industry, but not as high. You know, these videos were getting like 40 CPMs, 50 CPMs, whereas the videos that are blowing up now, where I'm getting all of these views from, are kind of like in the mid 20 range or even a little bit lower. So because of that, we're getting more views, but that lowers the CPM, which I'm not, like, I don't mind because if the overall revenue is up, that's all I care about, right? Now let's talk a bit about how I was able to, first of all, do this like passively, right? And then also the strategy that I've been following and that I'm gonna follow in the next few months. So first of all, I was on a vacation from the 11th right there until the 21st, so Friday. So all of these 10 days there, I didn't work. I didn't check my phone. I didn't bring my laptop. I didn't message anyone on my team. None of it. Yet the videos kept going live. The views kept going up and I made more money than I used to, right? As you can see right there, I made more money. I had my best days right there when I was on vacation. For that, what was necessary? It was team building, processes, and systems. So because I wasn't around, I could not tell the team what to do. So they needed to know what they needed to do. Now, keep in mind, they already knew that because I've been doing this for a while. It's just that the other days, I was always there just working, you know, like this period, I was always there just working, checking it, making sure everything is all right. But then this time, like the first time, I wasn't checking my phone, wasn't doing anything. I noticed that it kept running and I didn't have to be there, which is awesome. Now, I'm going to make videos about that in this YouTube automation season very soon. Also, for the strategy, and by the way, if you're wondering what is YouTube automation season, I'm going to be uploading over 40 videos in the next 2 weeks on 3 different channels. It's this one, Success Online, and Automation First. I'll leave links in the description down below so you can subscribe so you don't miss any free value. And trust me, you don't want to miss it, so definitely subscribe. Now, apart from that, what is also important to know here is the reason I grow. So the reason I'm growing so much as of right now is because I'm jumping into topics that have like almost no competition, yet a lot of search volume. And these are low barrier to entry topics, what I like to call them. So these are topics where you can make a video now and you'll get much more traffic right away, rather than going with a topic that is like been out there for like 4 years and it's not really popular anymore, or there's too much competition. No. All of these topics, so the videos I'm posting here, because of this growth, this growth is coming from those videos, is because a lot of people are searching for these videos, yet no one is making them yet. So I'm one of the first to make the videos. Because of that, I'm ranking. My videos are pretty good as well, so that helps. I'm ranking and then I'm getting views. So I'm going to continue to go with this strategy. Now, I know that is just really vague, right? You're like, what am I supposed to do with that info? Don't worry. Tomorrow, I'm going to be uploading the second video from YouTube Automation Season on the Success Online channel that's going to show you how you can grow much faster. So I'm going to show you how I've been able to generate this kind of growth where I went from, let's see, a couple dollars at most, right? This chart is really good. From like $1 a day in July to almost hitting $200 per day as of right now. Now, if you want to learn more about that, once again, subscribe to Success Online. And also, if you want to see more about this channel in terms of decision making, stuff like that, let me know, because I'm not sure if this stuff is boring for you or it's really entertaining. All right, so I like the numbers. I like to see, okay, what should I do here? What should I do with this, but maybe you don't care. You just want to see how much money I made. So yeah, this is how much money I made. Last 28 days has been 4K. Now, January, hopefully going to be around 5K. We've got 31 days, so that's good. Let's see if we're on schedule to make that actually. 3.3K after 22 days. Okay, so I'm just quickly going to do the math on that in terms of the daily average. So 3.3K, 22, that's like 150. If we don't do that, no, we're not going to make that on that average. 4.6. So we're close to hitting 5K months with this channel. Hopefully we can double that soon to 10K. I'm going to be documenting it here for you. So if you're interested, subscribe. For now though, subscribe to the other channels so you don't miss out on the YouTube Automation Season. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. All right, so that's it for the channel update. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.